Hello my dear student, today we study about the chapter number 1 polynomial division of polynomials by different methods. In previous class we learnt how to divide the polynomials by another polynomials by long division method, but in this class we study about the different kinds of division of polynomials, different methods of division of polynomial. There are three methods to divide the polynomial. First method is long division method. Long division method. And second method is remainder theorem method, and the third one is factor theorem method. Three methods to divide the polynomials by long division method, second remainder theorem method, and third one factor theorem method. In previous class we see the long division method, how can divide the one polynomial by another polynomial by long division method, but in this class we study about remainder theorem method and factor theorem method. In remainder theorem method, without divide the dividend by divisor, we find the directly remainder. And in factor theorem method, in this method, when we divide dividend by divisor, the remainder is 0, then we can say that divisor is the factor of the dividend. Remainder theorem method. What is the remainder theorem method? If fx any polynomial with variable x, if any polynomial, f denote the polynomial, if here f denote the polynomial with variable x, any polynomial f polynomial को डिनोट करता है और ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो x है वो वेरिएबल्स ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल्स. इफ एनी पॉलिनोमियल्स fx is divided by x minus a, x minus a is a divisor, then remainder is fa. This is remainder theorem. Once again I repeat the remainder theorem. If fx is divided by x minus a, then remainder is fa. This is remainder theorem. Here fx is dividend and x minus a is a divisor, then we get the remainder as a fa. Suppose any polynomial fx, here fx is dividend, divide by gx equal x minus a. Here x minus a, gx is another polynomial, x minus a is a divisor, then we get remainder at the value of a at fa. Here fa is a remainder. When First, to remember the point, when divisor means x minus a, when divisor is x minus a, then remainder r is equal to fa. But when divisor is x plus a, when divisor is x minus a, then remainder are equal to fa. But when divisor is x plus a, first in case negative, then remainder is positive. But in case of positive, then remainder r is equal to f minus. Next method, factor theorem method. What is the factor theorem method and what do you mean by factor theorem method? Factor theorem method से आप क्या समझते हैं? Factor theorem method means if on dividing fx, here fx is a polynomial, by x minus a, the remainder is f at the value of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of fx. This is factor theorem. Once again I repeat, if on dividing fx, here fx is polynomial by x minus a is here divisor, the remainder is f at the value of a is 0. If remainder is 0 at the value of a, then x minus a is a factor of fx. It means then divisor is factor of dividend. This is factor theorem. This is factor theorem. Important points to be note. If there are two factors, x minus a and x minus b of a polynomial, then fx dividend is equal to x minus a into x minus b into qx. Here qx is a quotient and x minus a and x minus b are factors of the polynomial fx. Second, if there are three factors, x minus a, x minus b and x minus c of a polynomial, then fx dividend equal to x minus a into x minus b into x minus c into qx. Here qx is a quotient, but here plus 0 we write also, but 0 is remainder. So fx equal to x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, x minus a into x minus b into x minus c into qx. Let us see the some examples of remainder theorem. Let us see the remainder based examples. Example number 9. Find the remainder when we divide dividend px is equal to 3x raised by 4 minus x cubed plus 30x minus 1 by the following: a divisor here x plus 1 and second b divisor here 2x minus 1. First we solve the question number a. In this question, find the remainder when we divide the dividend. Here px is dividend and q, here px is dividend and x plus 1 is a divisor. We solve the first question. We solve this question by 3 method also, but we by using remainder theorem. Solution A. Here dividend is dividend px is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus x cube plus 30x minus 1 and divisor is equal to x plus 1 by remainder theorem. By remainder theorem we have to find the remainder. Find the remainder. By remainder theorem, remainder are equal fa when divisor is x minus a. Here divisor equal, here divisor is x plus 1, here divisor is x plus 1, then the remainder is equal to remainder r is equal to f, sorry, here p at the value of, here divisor is x plus 1, here positive, then remainder are equal to p at the value of minus 1. X divided e, then remainder are equal to p minus 1. e minus 1 कैसे आया, इसको सॉल्व करने से पहले यहाँ पर क्या वैल्यू डालेंगे, डिवाइजर x प्लस 1, तो रिमाइंडर कैसे निकालेंगे, x प्लस 1 इक्वेट करो 0, तो x इक्वल टू 1 ट्रांसपोज टू राइट हैंड माइनस 1, सो रिमाइंडर p माइनस 1 हो जाएगा. अगर डिवाइजर इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 2, द रिमाइंडर p इक्वल टू क्या होगा, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू, इक्वेट टू x प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 0, सो 2x इक्वल टू minus 2, then x equal to minus 2 upon 2, then x equal to minus 1. So remainder is r equal to p at the value of minus 1. इस टाइप से आपको क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. रिमाइंडर आर इक्वल, remainder are equal. We put the value of a in polynomial px. Px equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus x cube plus 30x minus 1. Px here equal to p minus 1. We put the value of x minus 1, 3 into minus 1 whole raised to power 4 minus 1 whole cube plus 30 into minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 whole raised to power 4 equal to 1. 3 into 1 minus whole cube minus 1 plus 30 into minus 1 minus 30 minus 1 is equal to 3 1 is 3 minus into minus plus 1 minus 30 minus 1 then 3 plus 1 4 minus 31 minus 30 minus 1 minus 31 is equal to 4 minus 31 minus 27. So remainder is minus 27. Question B. When we divide px by 2x minus 1, then what is the remainder? Here dividend px is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus x cube plus 30x minus 1 and divisor equal to 2x minus 1. So remainder are equal. You have to find the remainder are. What is the value of x? Dividend px equal to 3x raised to 4 minus x cube plus 30x minus 1. Divisor equal to x minus 1. So remainder are equal to p. The value of x is equal to plus 1 by 2. On putting the value of x equal to plus 1 by 2 in px, how can find the 1 by 2? How can find the value of x? Here divisor equal to 2x minus 1. We equate this 2x minus 1 0. 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 0 plus 1. Then 2x equal to 1. Then x equal to 1 by 2. We put the value of x 1 by 2 in the dividend px. So remainder are equal to p, the value of x, to 1 upon 2 equal 3. We put the 1 upon 2 in dividend, the value of x 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 4 minus 1 upon 2 whole cube plus 30 into 1 upon 2 minus 1. How can solve this question? How can solve this statement? 3 1 upon 2 whole raised to power 4. We know the laws of exponent. A upon b whole raised to power 4 is equal to a raised to power m upon b raised to power 4. So we write this into 1 upon 1 raised to power 4, 1 2 raised to power 4 minus 1 cube upon 2 cube plus 30 into 1 by 2 minus 1. So equal to 3 into 1 raised to power 4 means 1, 2 raised to power 4 means 16 minus 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8 plus 2 1 ja 2, 2 15 ja 30, 15 minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 16 minus 1 upon 8 plus 15 minus 1 plus 14 equal to, we eat 3 upon 16 minus 1 of, we eat 3 upon 16 and minus 1 upon 8. So the LCM of 16 and 8 is 16 and 3 minus 2 plus 14 is equal to 1 upon 16 plus 14. 1 upon 16 plus 14 is equal to 14 whole 1 upon 16. So remainder is equal to 14 whole 1 upon 16. Find remainder by using remainder theorem. If dividend and divisors are px equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 6 and gx equal to x minus 2 respectively, we denote the polynomials like px, qx, rx with the variable of x. Px represent the polynomials and x represent the what is the variables in polynomial. Gx is also taken as a polynomial and what is the variables in polynomial x. So dividend is equal to, dividend gx is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 6 and dividend px equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 6 and divisor gx is equal to x minus 2. Gx is equal to x minus 2 by remainder theorem. Find the value of remainder by using remainder theorem. By remainder theorem, here divisor gx is equal to x minus 2, so remainder r equal to, here take care of work, x we equate divisor x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to 2, so remainder r equal to p, the value of x is 2, equal, we put the value of x equal to in px, 2 into 2 whole square minus 3 into 2 plus 6 equal to 2 square in means 4 minus 3 to the 6 plus 6 equal to minus 6 plus 6 cancel, 0 2 4 ja 8. So remainder, when a polynomial fx is divided by x square minus 4, then we get remainder 5x plus 6. If the same polynomial is divided by x minus 2, then what will be the remainder? Once again I repeat the question. When a polynomial fx is divided by x square minus 4, then we get remainder 5x plus 6. If the same polynomial divided by x minus 2, then what will be the remainder? In these questions you have to find the value of remainder. In first time, if fx is divided by this, we get remainder 5x plus 6. Then again second time, the same remainder, same polynomial fx is divided by x minus 2, then so what is the value of remainder? Solve. Here dividend is equal to fx. Here fx is not given, only given polynomial fx. And divisor equal x square minus 4 and x minus 2. X square minus 4 is also divisor, and x minus 2. Remainder equal to 5x plus 6. Since we know that the relationship between the dividend, divisor, remainder and quotient, remainder equal to 5x plus 6, but here quotient is not given. Let the quotient be qx, since we know that the relationship between the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to fx equal divisor. In we take the divisor, first divisor x square minus 4, since dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to fx, divisor equal to take first divisor, because when we divide x square minus 4 we get remainder is 5x plus 6. So divisor equal to x minus 4 and quotient equal to qx plus remainder equal to 5x plus 6. So dividend fx equal x square minus 4 into qx plus 5x plus 6 we get. Then after fx is divided by x minus 2. So remainder r is equal to, we solve this question by using remainder theorem. So remainder r equal to, we have to find the value of x, we put the value of x in fx, we equate this x minus 2 in a rough, we are rough x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to 2. So remainder equal to f, the value of x equal to 2 is equal to, we put the value of x in this, x 2 square minus 4 into q2 plus 5 into 2 plus 6. We cut this rough work. Then 2 square 4 minus 4 into q2 plus 5 to the 10 plus 6. 4 minus 4 equal to 0 into q2 plus 10 plus 6, 16 equal to 0 into q2, 0 plus 16, 16. So when fx is divided by x minus 2, we get remainder is 16. Next examples we see the next class of the factors. Thank you. Have a nice day.